Hey everyone, it's Olivia here at Subaru of Puyallup. Just wanted to give you a quick intro to what to expect when your new Subaru arrives here at the dealership. We're getting new truckloads of cars every week, and a lot of times your car that you've reserved is on those truckloads. So as soon as it gets unloaded from that truck, we let you know, we give you a call, and at that point you either have the option to purchase your car 100% online and have it delivered to your home, or we can schedule the stress-free presentation here at the dealership for you to come in and complete your purchase. So once your new Subaru is unloaded from the truck, we take it back to our service department where they perform a safety inspection as well as detail the vehicle and sanitize it for delivery. Before you arrive, we'll fill in your Subaru expert and our sales managers on everything that you're looking to accomplish. We try to make the process as seamless and as stress-free as possible for you. Once you know all the new features of your new vehicle, you'll be ready to be sent off in your brand new Subaru. Please don't forget to leave us a review about your stress-free experience. We can't wait to see you next time.